Do you remember when walking across the kitchen felt effortless? When didn't you have to brace yourself before standing or pausing at the bottom of the stairs to think it through? We're not chasing youth here. We're returning to something more profound, the quiet trust you once had in your legs. And it turns out a straightforward food may help you feel that again, sooner than you'd expect. I'm Dr. David Hale, part of the Forever Healthy team. Our mission is to turn real clinical research into practical, senior-friendly advice. Everything I'll share today is safe, gentle, and designed for adults over 60, especially women who want to feel stronger and more steady each day. By the end of this short video, you'll learn how one natural ingredient can boost blood flow to your leg muscles, sometimes within hours, giving you more strength, better balance, and that priceless feeling of control. Grab a pen and a glass of water if you'd like to jot things down. Let's begin. Part 1. The overlooked reason your legs feel weaker. You're eating well, staying active, but your legs still feel tired. Like walking upstairs now takes more thought than strength. This isn't just age catching up. One key reason? Poor blood flow. Your muscles don't just run on food. They run on oxygen. And when blood circulation slows down, your legs lose power quietly. A Mayo Clinic study found that improving leg circulation helped older adults gain up to 10% more muscle strength in just a few hours. So, how do we improve blood flow safely, naturally, and without medication? Surprisingly, it starts with beetroot. Part 2. Why beets may work in just hours. Inside every deep red slice of beetroot lies something powerful: natural nitrates. Your body converts them into nitric oxide, which tells blood vessels to relax and open up, letting more blood reach your muscles. Think of your blood vessels as garden hoses. When they're kinked, the pressure builds, but flow weakens. When they relax, water, or in this case, oxygen, can flow freely to the muscles that help you stand, walk, and stabilize. In 2018, researchers at the University of Exeter found that seniors who drank beet juice daily for just 2 weeks improved muscle power by 9%. Another study in the Journal of Gerontology showed beet juice increased leg strength by 13% in older adults with heart conditions. And that boost often started within hours. To keep it simple, you don't need a juicer. Try this gentle blend. 1. 1 medium beet, peeled. 2. A slice of fresh ginger to calm inflammation. 3. Half a lemon for vitamin C. 4. A small green apple for sweetness. Blend with water, strain if needed, and sip half a cup slowly. If fresh beets aren't available, canned beets work too. Rinse them well to lower the sodium. Keep it easy, keep it yours. Part 3. Beets give oxygen. Movement makes it matter. Here's the part many people miss. Beetroot gives your muscles oxygen. But it's movement, gentle, intentional movement, that teaches your body how to use it. A 2020 Harvard Health Review found that seniors who combined nutrition with light physical activity doubled their strength improvements compared to diet alone. That's not because the movement was intense. It wasn't. It was consistent. You don't need a gym, just a sturdy chair. Try this. Sit tall. Slowly lift one leg until it straightens in front of you. Hold for 3 seconds. Lower it with control. Repeat 5 times per leg, or fewer if that feels better. Even this modest motion signals your brain, this muscle still works. Let's keep it alive. Pair this routine with your beet juice. One feeds the muscle and the other trains it. Part 4. Start small, but keep going. Here's the truth. No one builds strength in a day. But every day you show up, just a little, you grow something valuable. In 2019, NIH researchers found that seniors who added one nutrient-rich food to their diets 3 times per week, combined with 5 minutes of movement, improved strength and balance dramatically over 8 to 12 weeks. That's not magic. That's momentum. So let's build yours. Drink half a cup of beet juice, or eat a small dish thrice weekly. Do seated leg lifts every day. Just a few reps are enough. Keep a small notebook. Track how you feel. One week, you'll notice something small, like getting up from the couch without pushing off your knees. That's progress. You don't need to be perfect. You need to begin. This is about more than muscle. What you're rebuilding is independence. The quiet confidence of walking into a store and knowing you won't need help. The joy of joining a grandchild on a walk without fearing your legs will give out. The steady assurance that you can carry your own life one step at a time. And it starts here, with a beat, with a breath, with a small, self-given promise that you're not done walking forward yet. Because you're not. Wrap up. Your 3-step plan. Let's bring it all together into a straightforward plan. Step 1. Sip half a cup of beet juice, or eat 1 small beet 3 times a week. This nourishes your muscles from the inside. Step 2. Do 5 seated leg lifts daily, or as many as feel right. This wakes your legs up and keeps them moving. Step 3. Stay consistent. Track your progress in a notebook or calendar. Celebrate every moment that feels easier. This isn't about doing more, it's about moving better, with purpose, with control. Call to action. Your strength. Your story. If this plan speaks to you, download our free 7-day leg strength guide below. It's filled with beet recipes, gentle exercises, and a progress tracker to help you take control at your own pace.
If you try this, share your experience in the comments. Your story may be the spark someone else needs to start.
Closing. You still carry power. Every sip of beet juice, every quiet leg lift, every note in your journal, it all adds up, not just to stronger legs, but to a stronger sense of self. Because power isn't about youth, it's about showing up again. And you just did. Let's keep walking.